Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I upcycled my ceramic cactuses from IKEA. You can use any ceramic, glass, or metal decor. This is everything you're going to need to complete this project. The most important step in this project is your baking soda to paint ratio. So for this amount of paint here, which is about 2 to 3 tablespoons, I'm only using a teaspoon and a half of baking soda. Otherwise, the paint becomes far too thick and it looks very bad and just very clumpy. So I recommend starting with a little bit of baking soda at a time and just adding as you need. As you can see, I was going for a neutral and muted palette, so I just started off with white, added in a little bit of black, played it up with some browns, some tans, and little dashes of pink throughout the project to get the desired shades I wanted. Again, you can do any colors you wish to do. Paint in some nice even coats in a downwards direction for the best result. Let it dry, paint it again to get the opacity you would like. Once you're happy with the opacity, just let it sit and dry for at least 30 minutes. Don't play around with it too much, you will get your fingerprints on it and make it budge, and then move on to your next object. As you can see in this color, I mixed way too much baking soda, and that's why it's so thick and hard to work with. So I highly recommend, again, put in your baking soda a teaspoon at a time, don't go overboard, and then just add more as needed. And for objects with intricate detailing like this, you're just going to want to lightly dab on the paint in between all the crevices to get even coverage throughout the entire object or decor item that you're using. And again, you don't have to use ceramic decor. You can use any glass vase, any metal object, anything you have lying around the house that you'd like to revamp. Once the paint has dried, you can style them however you'd like. Thanks for watching.